So anyway, today's Saturday and we were supposed to, my friends from Philadelphia are coming up today and we're sleeping over at Ramada Inn by the Lehigh Mall today, and we were supposed to go to Dorney Park today. Well, guess what? Dorney Park closed because of this. Our first snowstorm. And it's already coming down pretty good. So, first snowstorm of the season, we get to spend it all together. Which is pretty cool. But wow, look how pretty it is. Ooh. I can't even believe it. And there's already been power outages in PA. And tonight is gonna get worse. Oh, there's a deer right up there. But tomorrow, it's gonna be sunny. Oh my god, it's really cold out here. So no snow tomorrow so far. This weather's crazy. I remember having our first frost and now... Whoa, scared me. I remember having our first frost and now it's snowing. Okay, well, I gotta get ready because it's 10:25 and I gotta get ready to go. Oh my god, look how bad my hands are. They're cracking from the cold.